All right, wheel number 2 on the Audi. Curb rash pretty much all the way around the wheel. There's a couple spots here and here that aren't damaged, but most of the wheel has curb rash on it. Again, we're going to grind this out with the red conditioning disc. I may have to switch it up to the 80 grit or a 50 grit over here. That's fairly deep. This is fairly deep too. We'll try it with the red disc first. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I'll start working on this one now. Got some damage up the spoke too. I'll just sand that out. That's not deep. All right, then we'll go ahead and sand this out with the 320. I'm going to go ahead and put a fresh sheet on here. Woo! Sanding's done. So down here I had to grind pretty deep. So I had to do a lot of sanding work on that to reshape it, because if you don't, you leave a valley right there that's pretty noticeable once you put paint on it. But that's all taken care of. Now let's go ahead and scuff it with the 1500 grit scuff pad. All right, and again, we're going with the Sonic Silver paint. That is linked in the description below. All the paints I use are linked down there. All right, and we'll cover all that with clear coat. I missed that little spot right there. I'm gonna touch that up real quick. Try to cover that with my fingers so that the dust doesn't get into the fresh clear coat. That's good. I'm just gonna scuff it back, keep the dust from going down into the fresh clear. We'll just wipe that off.